Netduma R3 Wi-Fi 6 Gaming Router Setup. Step 1. Attach the antennas. Screw the 4 provided antennas onto the router's posts and position them upright for optimal Wi-Fi performance. Step 2. Power on the R3. Plug in the R3's power adapter and press the power button located at the back. Wait a few minutes until the internet light is illuminated and the top RGB lights are pulsing. Step 3. Access Duma OS 4. On a device connected to the R3, via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, open a browser and navigate to http://192.168.77.1 to begin the setup wizard. Alternatively, scan the QR code on the included info card to access the setup page or download the Duma OS app. Step 4. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Personalize your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Leaving them as default allows for easy connection using the QR code on the info card, but customizing enhances security. Step 5. Set admin credentials. Create a secure username and password for accessing the Duma OS interface and app. Remember these credentials for future logins. Step 6. Perform a speed test. Allow Duma OS to run a speed test to determine your upload and download speeds. If you know your speeds, you can enter them manually. Step 7. Prioritize network traffic. Select the types of applications, e.g., gaming, video streaming, work from home, that are most important to you. Duma OS will prioritize these by default. Step 8. Customize RGB lighting. Choose your preferred color and animation settings for the router's RGB lights. These can be adjusted anytime within Duma OS.